everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun video we're going to be giving even more sticker swap shout outs, and I will be showing you some stuff that viewers and subscribers have sent to me with the sticker swaps. So without further ado, let's start giving some sticker swap shout outs so we can add them to the sticker swap sticker wall. The first sticker is CAG Construction, Building the Future, Restoring the Past. Rascals Custom Works. Blessed Design, and I really like this logo with the praying hands and the saw blade, really awesome. Rockler, Create with Confidence, established 1954. Tall Guy DIY. I'm 6'2". Does that make me tall or consider me being tall? Really awesome sticker. Rip Cut Woodworking. Woodcraft Gallery. And they sent me out an amazing fan pack with their sticker. They sent me two of their catalogs for their stores, and also the current issue of their Woodcraft magazine. Really awesome. And I recently went to their store for the very first time, and I got a few goodies, and I also got a Woodcraft coffee cup. Really awesome. It has my pumpkin spice coffee in it. And they also sent me a free t-shirt to wear in my size. Awesome. It's nice and comfortable. Thank you for that, Woodcraft Gallery. Bucky's Barbecue Spicy A. Really awesome logo and design. It really looks like a Pirate's Jolly Roger, and he sent me out a sample of his barbecue seasoning, and really has a nice smell to it. I can't wait to use that when cooking. Got some more stickers. Regal Street Wood Shop. Nice holographic sticker. DIY Clendale. It's a foreign name. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Thank you for that. Flying Shark Knives. Really awesome. I really love this logo with the shark. You guys know I'm a huge shark fan. I've got my Jaws scroll saw portrait hanging right there on the wall behind us. Really awesome. Hodgepodge Woodworks. Another awesome logo with the beaver gnawing on the wood. T. Michael J. Knives with the Sasquatch logo there. Really awesome. I had one of his stickers on the stickers. I still got it on the sticker swap sticker box here. You will see it's a little red sticker. It was one of my very first sticker swaps, and you'll maybe be able to see it when it goes around there. But I'm glad to have another one to add to the wall. M. Navich Woodworks. Also hope I'm pronouncing that name right. Camo Customs, veteran-owned woodworks all the way from Scotland. And what was really cool with this sticker swap, he sent me 2 pieces of Scottish candy in the mail with the sticker. So that's really awesome to have and try some candy from overseas. Really cool. Thank you for that. Chop with Chris. He produces some amazing content over on Instagram, doing stuff with hand tools and not power tools. Really awesome. Monkey Business Pageant Services. I recently made a sign for the lady that runs this company, and she was kind enough to also include a sticker when I give her the sign I made her. Really awesome. J&S Woodworks. And this one is not a sticker swap, but this was just a care package. Maker's Playground which that sticker's right here, which is an ad ran by Izzy Swan. There was a guy on there called Skiggly who really admires my scroll saw post and the post that I do in general over on Maker's Playground. He said, hey man, just got together with a few other guys and want to send you a care package. And what they sent me was a oven push and pull rack, and I'm gonna give this to my mom for her to use in the kitchen along with that barbecue seasoning. And I think this is cedar, if I'm not mistaken. And then he sent me a Shark Smart sticker and a Shark Smart tablet. And what is unique about this tablet is it's waterproof, so you know you can use it out near the ocean or the water. He knows I love going to the ocean and visiting the beaches and all. So thank you for the care package. I really appreciate that and love the woodworking community. Fun with wood flags. The Scrap Exchange Creative Reuse Arts Center in Durham, North Carolina. I went up there and looked around, and they are an amazing source for art materials and supplies. Really awesome. I got 2 of these stickers and put one of them on the back of my truck. And then I got a nice letter and several stickers from Pat Shea. He does amazing scroll saw work. He's up in the north in Canada. He sent me his sticker, Pat's Workshop. He's been following my YouTube channel and now my Instagram channel now for a long time. I really appreciate that, and the kind letter, and then the other stickers you sent me, Pat. Thanks for that. CWO Workshop. This is a Coast Guard veteran-owned woodworking business. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. Stout Creations Wood Decor. Crossed Arrows, American made, veteran owned, established 2015. Dietrich Woodworkings out of Whitehaven, Dietrich Woodworking out of Whitehaven, Pennsylvania. Macbeth Hardwoods, established 1954. Really neat small sticker there with the elephant and all. Thomas Badcock, The Garage. He sent me his new updated sticker. His old sticker is already up on the wall. Thank you for that, man. Scrimshaw Pottery. This guy makes amazing handmade custom coffee mugs and really puts an artistic flair on it. Really neat. And finally, Coastal Vintage Design. Really awesome stickers. That was a lot of stuff to go through, and that's a lot of stickers to add up to the wall, and we're about to do that. But always remember, I will leave links to everyone's Instagram page that I can find down in the description box below, so you can head over there and follow them, and of course swap with them and interact with them. The woodworking and maker community is one of the best communities I've ever fell into, and I love interacting with everybody and swapping with everybody. So right now, let's get all of these new amazing stickers up on the Sticker Swap sticker wall. the new stickers are up on the Sticker Swap sticker wall, and I can't believe this, but the bottom panel that I just added is already starting to take shape and fill up. I may eventually have to take everything off the back wall to keep adding panels for stickers and showcasing everyone's amazing stickers on the back wall. But don't worry, I will do it if it comes to that, because I love giving sticker swap shout outs. They are some of my favorite videos to do, and I really enjoy giving shout outs and helping and doing my part in helping to make the maker and woodworking community grow. It's just all about networking, guys. Getting each other's names out there is how we get word around to everyone. And remember, if you guys want to swap with anyone I have thrown a sticker up on the sticker wall with today, I will leave links to everyone's Instagram page that I can find down in the description box below. If you guys would like to sticker swap with me, the Artisan Pirate, all of my contact is also in the description box below, and I will be happy to get an Artisan Pirate sticker out to you guys. I'm really loving how it's starting to fill up, and this is just a wall of motivation and inspiration for me. That's about all for this video. Remember, guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.